Magandang gabi! Here's another set of Tagalog Homograph words and our first one ay Mura. Mura. The word can either mean cheap, cheap as in low price. It can also mean curse as in bad words. And it can also mean the young, immature fruit of a plant. If you mean cheap or curse, it is pronounced the same, Mura. Mura. But if you mean the young, immature fruit of a plant, the word is pronounced Mura. 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 And cheap or curse, Mura. 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 Miss, magkano sa perfume? $3. Wow! Mura! Eto, magkano? Yan? 70 cents per pound. That's good. Mura. And this one, mura pa. Our next one ay para. Para. Same pronunciation. It can either mean for. Examples, for you, para sa'yo, for me, para sa akin, for her or for him, para sa kanya, for them, para sa kanila, and it can also mean like there's really no exact English word for it, but in the Philippines, when you're about to get off a bus or a jeepney, and in English, if you have to say stop or this is where I get off, what you say is para. 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 And the third one, we have parang. Parang. Parang means meadow, or it can also mean seems like it or looks like it. Examples, looks like your best friend is sad. Parang malungkot ang kaibigan mo. Parang malungkot ang kaibigan mo. Looks like your mother is mad. Parang galit ang nanay mo. Parang galit ang mama mo. Or parang galit ang mom mo. Let's say that again. Parang. Parang. Hay! Nakakainis. Ang tanga-tanga. Gago talaga ang tanga. Buisit. Bakit ka mura ng mura? Nakakainis. Parang galit si Dan. And our fourth one ay pala. Pala and pala. And pala sa Ingles ay shovel. And pala, there's no exact English word for pala, but in Tagalog, it is used as an expression, as it is used to express a sudden realization. Example ay, let's say you're expecting a visitor, and then you heard someone knocking at your door, so you open the door, and you saw someone else. So, you said, "Oh, it's you. Ikaw pala." And more likely, the person's reaction would be, yeah, it's me. Are you expecting someone else or are you expecting a visitor?" And another example, let's say you're doing a grocery shopping with a friend and she asks you, "Do you know how much the price is for coconut, and you just went there on the aisle. You saw the price and you said, yeah, it's about $1 each. So your friend said, can you get me 4? So you went back there, and just when you're about to get 4, you notice that it's not $1 each, but it's $2 each. So you wanna tell your friend that you made a mistake and it's not $1 each. So you go and tell her, it's not $1 each, $2 pala kada isa. Last example ng pala ay, let's say someone asks you, what day is it today? Or what day is it now? And you're quick to say, Sunday or Linggo. And then you just realize it's not Sunday, it's Monday. So what you say is, hindi pala. Lunes pala. Hindi pala. I mean, no, it's not Sunday. Lunes pala. I mean, it's Monday. I just talked to Dan. You said he's mad. Hindi pala siya galit. Hindi pala. And last one for tonight. Paso and Paso and Paso. Paso means a garden path. Paso. Paso. And Paso means like when you accidentally or when you forget that you just use the stove and then you accidentally touch it and it's still hot. Paso. I got burned. Napaso ako. Napaso. Got burned. Napaso ako. I got burned. I forgot that I just used the stove and it's still hot. Napaso ako. Ayan lang. That's all for tonight. Good night na. Bye!